So here's example 3, performing operations on products of polynomials. So products means that you're multiplying. So for example, we have x plus 1 times 5x plus 3 plus 3 times 2x plus 4 times 6x take away 2. So what we're going to do is first take our x and our x plus 1 and break that down and distribute it to our 5x plus 3. So we're going to go x times 5x plus 3 and 1 times 5x plus 3. Then for our 3 times 2x plus 4, we're going to go with 3. Use our square brackets so we don't get too confused. Times 2x times 6x take away 2 plus 4 times 6x take away 2. All we did was we took this and broke down the pieces to multiply individually by this. So over here we have 5x squared plus 3x, once we multiply these together, distributive property. And then we have 5x and plus 3. Now over here we have 2x, we're going to start inside the brackets, so we have 2x times 6x, so it's 12x squared, and then we get negative 4x plus 24x, take away 8, and then our next step is we're going to multiply this side by 3, so we have to use the distributive property again. So we're going to keep our 5x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 3. Now we move into 3 times 12 is 36x, bring down your squared, I guess, x squared, take away 12x plus 72x, take away 24. All we did was we multiplied each of these numbers by 3. Then we're left with 41x squared plus 68x, take away 21 when we combine all of the like terms. For us to walk through, we have 3w take away 2 times 4w plus 5 take away w, take away 7 times 2w plus 3. Forgot this. Now, what we need to do is we need to pretend like there is a 1 here. Otherwise, we're going to forget a step. So what we're going to do is follow like the other question did. We're going to take our 3w, multiply it by our 4w plus 5, and our negative 2 times 4w plus 5, take away 1 times w times 2w plus 3. Now remember how the last one had the square bracket? That's what we're doing with this one. Last time it was a 3. Take away 7 times 2w plus 3. We're going to go through and distribute over here. So we have 3w times 4w, which is 12w squared, plus 15w, take away 8w plus 10, take away 1 times 2w squared plus 3w, take away 14w plus 21. Now all I did was I distributed here. I took the w times 2w, which is 2w squared, w times 3 is 3w, negative 7 times 2w is negative 14w, and 3 times negative 7, oh sorry, that should be a negative 21. Now, here we keep our 12w squared plus 15w, take away 8w plus 10. Sorry, that should be take away 10. Negative 2 times 5. Sorry, watch your signs, otherwise you will have a mistake like I just about did. So now we have negative 1 times 2. We have negative 2w squared. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3w. Negative 1 times negative 14 gives us a positive 14w. Negative 1 times negative 21 gives us a positive 21. So make sure that you remember that this whole thing multiplies. So remember to bring your sign with you. I forgot and I almost made us a mistake. So then we have our w squareds. So we have 12w squared take away 2w squared. So I'm just going to break this into little sections and we will combine them at the end to make the one expression. So now I'm going to take my w's. So I have 15w take away 8w over here, and then I have negative 3w plus 14w. So that takes care of those. I have negative 10 plus 21. So now with my w squareds, I have 12 take away 2. That leaves us with 10w squared. 15 take away 8 is 7w. 14 take away 3 is 11w. And 21 take away 10 is 11. So now what I'm going to do is just combine these two, which gives us 18w. So our answer will be 10w squared plus 18w. We're adding because this is positive, plus 11. And that would be your answer.